काम पे क्या हुआ? They made me work overtime again. I just hope this time they give me the promotion.
खाने के टाइम भी फोन यूज कर रहे हो, बंद करो।
मैं तुमसे कुछ बात कर रही हूँ।
पापड़ तो ढंग से बनाना था।
पापड़ की क्या पड़ी है तुमको? I'm talking to you about something important.
I'm so tired of this. These people are not even my real. Whatever, I'm very hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm tired.
You know, college is just so annoying right now. There's this girl in my class. She does not cooperate at all, and it's just.
Can you please stop talking? I can't hear it anymore.
What do you mean stop talking? Are you the only person in this house who is allowed to talk?
लास्ट टाइम पापड़ खराब बना था, आज तो खाना ही नहीं बनाया।
एफर्ट ले लो, तुम्हारे लिए कमी है।
What did I do?
What do you mean? What did I do? Maybe this is the reason your wife.
What about my wife? Should I talk about your problems? Your daughter?
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning. We had an appointment with Miss Shekhawat.
Let me check.
This is where it all started. I'm just so tired of this. I'm so suffocated. It feels like he never understands me.
I feel invisible. She doesn't even care. Why am I with her?
I feel like all of my efforts are in vain. I just feel like I'm being taken for granted.
I just wish I could rent a new family.
जो चाहिए वो मिल गया।
Dad,
Okay, Mr. Mehra and Lara, please stay back. Meanwhile, can the rest of you please wait outside? So, Lara, would you like to begin by sharing your feelings?
I want to, only if he actually hears me out.
हम शायद इसलिए इधर आए हैं। आज तक की किस चीज की कमी रहने दिया मैंने आपको? हर चीज को टाइम के पहले दिया हो आपको, फिर भी आपको ऐसी की जरूरत आ गई कि एक फादर रेंट करना पड़ रहा है।
All I understood is renting a family was not the solution.
मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही बोला था।
I just wanted to be accepted for who I am, and I'm just exhausted. हर वक्त आप सिर्फ डांटते ही रहते हो। कभी मेरी बात सुना है आपने?
I just wanted you to be happy. I care for you and I really love you.
Yeah, but it's exhausting.
Of course, yaar, I'll be there. I wouldn't miss your parties for the world. Let me just get over with this thing that my mom has dragged me into some therapy or something like that. I just want to get this.
Kiara, could you please put your phone down? I said, could you please put your phone down?
Fine. These few days were really difficult without you. You know, I had to do everything by myself.
What do you mean you had to do everything by yourself? Is that all I'm here for?
That's not what I meant, okay?
No, what you mean is that you want me to clean up your mess all the time.
There she goes again.
Okay, Kiara, then would you like to elaborate on what you meant?
I mean, I love her, obviously, but I just don't understand what is it that I'm doing wrong that she had to go and rent a new child.
All I expected from you was to be seen, to be appreciated for everything that I do for you. But you're never around. Not once. You're always out.
But I was just trying to live my life, to hang out with my friends. What is it that I'm doing wrong?
I know now that renting a new child is not the right thing to do. But in your process of making new friends or going out, you forgot me.
Okay, Arjun, would you like to share something about the experience?
I'm just surprised she's here. क्यों आज काम से छुट्टी मिल गई?
What do you mean छुट्टी मिल गई, Arjun? What happened to the man who used to encourage me to achieve my goals?
He's still here, but you're never home to see him.
I'm trying, Arjun. If only you would hear me out just for once.
I hear you fine on your meetings.
Arjun, at least I feel valued at my workplace.
I cannot do this anymore. नहीं हो रहा मुझसे अब ये.
Of course you can't. It's typical of you to dismiss me and avoid conflicts. So rather than just sitting here solving our problems, you would get a new wife.
All of this wouldn't have happened if you knew how to be a good wife.
Really, then maybe I think it's time for me to get a new husband.
Okay, I think we should take a moment to breathe and reflect before we make any harsh statements. Family is never perfect. It is messy, it is frustrating, and at times even complicated. We often believe that the solution lies elsewhere. That maybe a different family, a different person, a whole different life might somehow fix what feels to be broken. But what this experience has shown us is that the cracks follow us wherever we go. Because the issue isn't always the person we're with, it is the conversations that we avoid. It is the resentment that we let build, and it is the love that we forget to express. The bitter truth is, the pain doesn't leave us. We carry it with us. It seeps into new relationships, into new dynamics, until we are forced to confront the reality that we were so desperate to avoid. It is about understanding that no family is without flaws. No relationship is without hardships. It is about realizing that the grass isn't always greener on the other side. It is greener where we choose to water it. So what will you do now? Will you walk away again, searching for something that does not exist? Or will you finally turn towards the people who you once wanted to replace and say, let's try, let's listen, let's fight for each other instead of against each other?